Most brands are still fighting for attention today, but the smartest brands are creating experiences that people actually want to engage with. Hi, we are Equanimous Technologies. We transform the way brands connect with their customers using AR, VR, XR, and gamified marketing experiences. From AR campaigns and virtual product experiences to immersive VR experience and branded games. We've built digital experiences that don't just look impressive, but they also drive engagement, increase brand recall, and create a memorable customer journey. Tech alone isn't enough. We combine creativity, storytelling, and cutting-edge technologies to craft experiences that helps the brand stand out in crowded markets. If you are looking to turn your passive audience into active participants, follow Equanimous Technologies and discover what is possible using immersive experiences.